Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 4K quality and cinematic look in CapCut. So if you want to have that stunning viral HDR look that makes your videos pop, shadows deep, and also highlights brilliant, here I'm going to show you how you can achieve it using CapCut. So what you need to do first is just add your videos into CapCut and follow my steps. First, you can go to adjust and click on saturation, increase it to 8 and increase the sharpen to around 30 like this. And now click on the check icon, go back and go to the effects, video effects, and here find the HDR effects, this one in here, click on it and adjust it like this. So for the size, lower it to 0, amount 70, and intensity 10, and the rest just turn it all the way into 0 like this. Hit on a check icon and make sure it apply to the whole clip. And the next steps, go to the video effects again and add the soft video effects and adjust it to around 30. Hit on a check icon. So you'll get this HDR look on your videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.